students, after the find and replace, we will have another utility that is called bullets and numbering. How to highlight the important part of a text by using the symbols as well as the numbering. Okay, so any pattern you can choose in order to make it as bullets. Okay, that's why it's named as bullets and numbering. Fine. Well, students, now we are starting bullets and numbering. Okay, that is the thing. So how it is to be done. This utility is actually been used to highlight a particular important particular set of text in your text document. So let us see how it is to be done. Okay, so opening a document. So I'm just removing this out here. Okay, all right. Now you see that what you have to do is for this, the steps will be bullets and numbering drop down button on the home tab in the paragraph group. So it is not showing. So if I click over here, it will just do the auto hide. All right. All right. The thing is that now this one will come down now. Yes, this is auto hide portion. That is the thing. So home paragraph and the bullets and numbering are here. Now you see, if you want the structures, bullets and all, you click over here. So automatically it will appear. Say I'm writing the favorite fruit. Say mango. Okay, mango. Then watermelon. Okay, watermelon. Then say then say apple, then say orange. So the automatically the bullets are appearing. Fine. So when you will finish, just press enter, the extra bullet will come, and then you can press enter to cancel it. Now again, so one more type of bullets I will do, just that is the thing, the tabs to be shown out here right now. Okay, now the thing is that the same thing, bullets are different type of bullets are available. You see out here. Now this is the numbered bullet, that is very important. Okay, so you can check anything out here, so it will come out here. So in this way you can enter over here. Okay, so the steps you have to follow, that is very easy. Home tab, paragraph group, bullets and numbering. All right, then you can just select the type of bullets, and you that bullets will come onto your pages. Say here I'm writing again mango, then watermelon. Okay, watermelon, and then apple. Okay, apple, orange, and all. So the bullets are appearing. Same procedure. When you will finish the bullets, then what will happen? You have to press enter. All right, so that is the thing you have to that is the thing you have to do in order to enter the bullets and all. Now if you want the symbol bullets and all, then what you have to do? Okay, you have to go to the bullets and click the drop down arrow next to the bullets button on the home tab. Okay, so that is the thing. So over here, okay, then define new number format is appearing, and here you can see out here, define new bullet. Okay, if you want to enter a new sort of bullets, fine, click on define new bullets. Okay, so it will come over here. Then you have to go to where? You have to go to the symbol, click on symbol. Okay, symbol anything. Suppose I want to make this one as bullet, so click over here and clicking over here, and then click on OK. Fine, so that is appearing as the thing. So mango. Okay, watermelon, say apple, and what you have, say another fruit, orange. Okay, so it is arranged through the bullet. Same thing, same way you can cancel also the bullets. Fine, so that is the way to enter the bullets and all right. So you see out here now another set of bullets, how to do these things. Another set of bullets, like let's again we are coming to the home tab and this group and all. So these bullets and all, you can see out here, this is the numbering bullet and this is the structured bullets. Okay, so if you want to create a new bullet tab, then you have to go to the define new bullet option. So however you can you can change its position, you can by using the things and all. Suppose if you think that you can use the indentation button over here in order to place the bullets in the convenient way. This is the first line indent, and this is the this thing, and in this way you can set the indent out here. So the thing is that same thing, similar thing can happen out here. So you can put it out here, so it will be like this. So the thing bullets will come in this way. So you can rearrange the bullet by indexing also in this way. Fine, so that is the thing. So this is all about the bullets. So nothing much is there in this case. So only you have to remember that you have to go to the home tab, paragraph group, bullets and numbering drop down list, you have to choose, and then you can choose the formats of your bullets. Okay, so if it is a symbol bullets, you can take it, and if it's a numbering bullets, A B C D 1 2 3 4, whatever you want, you can select. Fine, that is the thing. That is the all about the bullets and numbering options. So children, you should practice it properly, and both the utilities as I have shown you, find and replace along with the bullets and numbering to be done in a proper manner. Understood? So that is the thing. So you can try it out. Okay. So that's the thing for home tabs. So no shortcuts are available. So these things you can go straight away. This thing you can go straight away. Okay, numbering and as well as the symbol bullets. All right. Then thank you. Okay, do the practicals properly.